Hey there, ever wanted to know how to replace the speed control in your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile? Well, today we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. We're going to start by removing the bolts from the arm. If this arm has too much tension on it to be able to move it, you can adjust it with the knob right here. Next, we're going to take a 19mm socket to remove these two bolts right here. We'll remove the mechanism, get a new mechanism, and reinstall. Reinstallation is the reverse of uninstallation. Last thing we need to do is check the unit for proper operation, or say it with me, properation. This is a good time to adjust the tension on the speed control. This can be accomplished by moving the adjustment knob on the end down here. Moving it counterclockwise gives it less tension, and clockwise for more tension. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below, and feel free to message us at any time. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys, and remember, stick with the pros. We'll see you next time.